HX1300B cutting machine. Heavy-duty model with loading weight over 1,000 kilograms. Cutting size up to 1,600 millimeters wide. The cutting machine is suitable for cutting various jumbo roll material such as PET, PC, PVC, PCB, FPC, paper, copper, and aluminum foil, etc. This machine uses servo motor to pull the material, equipped with PLC touchscreen operation. Cut length, quantity, and speed can be set arbitrary. It can be equipped with static eliminator, feeding conveyor belt device, photoelectric sensor to meet different usage scenarios.